I think we just are growing and developing in a very comfort culture. Every small, minor, uncomfortable impulse I have, I can ease it.
See, comfort is something that humans have worked really hard to create. पहले भागना पड़ता था, स्पोर्ट्स जीतना पड़ता था, कुश्ती करनी पड़ती थी, हंट करना पड़ता था, कुछ एक्चुअली अचीव करना पड़ता था लाइफ में to get the dope release. Dope is cheap, food is cheap, living is easy. Being scared has nothing to do with your masculinity or with your courage. Being afraid is about stakes. Saying sorry is not weakness. Weakness is not acknowledging that you believe you'll be decimated by this.
I'm thinking about right now my brain is going, where is this conflict avoidance comes from? Where does it come from? I think part of it, I want your comments on it, but part of it I believe is I think we just are growing and developing in a very comfort culture. Like every small, minor, uncomfortable impulse I have, I can ease it. Do you agree? And if that is the premise, how does one train this ability to just sit with more discomfort?
I agree with it. See, comfort is something that humans have worked really hard to create. So there is nothing wrong with comfort. We all are working harder every day to create comfort. Problem is that life is really so comfortable that dopamine release is easy. पहले भागना पड़ता था, स्पोर्ट्स जीतना पड़ता था, कुश्ती करनी पड़ती थी, हंट करना पड़ता था, कुछ एक्चुअली अचीव करना पड़ता था लाइफ में टू गेट द डोप रिलीज, राइट? अभी तो सिर्फ इंस्टाग्राम के शॉर्ट्स खोलने हैं, स्टोरीज देखनी है, डोप रिलीज शुरू हो जाएगा. कैंडी क्रश खेलना है, आवाजों से डोप रिलीज शुरू हो जाएगा. डोप इज चीप, फूड इज चीप, लिविंग इज इजी. लाइफ में बैटल्स ही नहीं है. हंट करना तो बहुत ही बड़ा सुपरलेटिव हो गया एज कंपेयर टू व्हाट वी आर टॉकिंग. सो आई डू बिलीव दैट बिकॉज ऑफ ईज इन लाइफ एंड कंफर्ट इन लाइफ, people, humans in general, I don't really differentiate men and women. I think the only thing, if I have to critically analyze that mean, I will not put it on men alone. I believe that humans are just getting soft. पर अब प्रॉब्लम क्या है ना कि बैटल तो जा ही नहीं सकते हैं और हंट भी नहीं कर सकते हैं. The only way I believe, and I at least practice it for myself, the only way you can build this mindset or cultivate it intentionally is by taking every opportunity that life gives you to test your courage. And I will, circle it back to don't avoid conflict. I'm not perfect, but I can tell you that I work very, very hard to never avoid conflict. That doesn't mean that I create conflict, but I look it in the eye. And I can tell you that there are conflicts which just beat the shit out of you. Like, you're scared. You're super scared because there are stakes. Being scared has nothing to do with your masculinity or with your courage. Being afraid is about stakes. जो डर रहा है उसके stakes हैं. Because if somebody is saying I don't care and I'm not afraid, it only means two things. One, you're fucking stupid, or you have low stakes. In both cases, I don't want to fight with you, or I don't want to be on your side. Being fearful, being afraid is not the problem. Problem is that you don't take the opportunity to avoid them, but you go and take on that battle. You sit with it. You remain aware of the damage. You also show the courage to take the damage, unless, of course, it kills you. You also show the courage to plead and resolve the battle in case the damage is not bearable. Yeah. And that's not weakness. Not at all. Saying sorry is not weakness. Weakness is not acknowledging that you believe you'll be decimated by this. अगर आप acknowledge कर लेते हैं तो उसके लिए तो courage चाहिए यार. अरे भाई साहब ऐसा मत करो, प्रभु मर जाएंगे. ये weakness नहीं है भाई, ये awareness है. And that just makes you stronger. मैं personal life से बता सकता हूँ. I have had situations in business life where I just felt that there's not going to be a morning tomorrow. And I couldn't sleep the entire night. बट द ब्यूटी ऑफ टाइम इज कि फिर मॉर्निंग हो गई तो लगा कि ये तो अभी भी सब है, तो फिर डील करते हैं. आई डोंट नो इफ आई कैन कॉल इट करेज or if I can call it my wisdom. I think in certain cases it was just compulsion of the matter. कि मैं ही था जिसको फेस करना था, कोई था ही नहीं अवेलेबल फेस करने के लिए. बाजू में भी नहीं था, आगे भी नहीं था, ऊपर भी नहीं था, नीचे भी नहीं था. मैं ही सेंटर ऑफ प्रॉब्लम पे था, मुझे ही झेलनी थी, तो मुझे ही अपीयर होना था प्रॉब्लम के सामने. एंड आई सेड कि ठीक है अभी क्या कर सकते हैं. तो गए, जाके बैठे, सिचुएशन फेस की, नुकसान हुआ पर जिंदा रह गए. तो आई कैन टेल यू दैट इट जस्ट लिबरेटेड मी, नॉट ऑफ फियर बट ऑफ दैट अल्टीमेट कैटास्ट्रोफिक इमेजिनेशन. माइंड कहता है ना कि बस अब सब खत्म हो गया, अब सब बर्बाद हो गया, अब देयर इज नो राइजिंग फ्रॉम दिस. वो चला गया. एकदम लगा कि नहीं नहीं यार, बच गए. डैमेज हुआ है, भरना ही पड़ेगा, टाइम भी लगेगा, पर बच गए यार. उतना बुरा नहीं हुआ जितना सोच रहे थे. क्योंकि there's this statement कि I've been through a lot of bad experiences in life, but only few happened.